first, you have to get a hammer. And you need a nail in order to hammer a nail. But what good is a hammer and a nail without wood? You need your wood.
Place the nail on the wood. Now lift your hammer and place it over the nail and hit it. Make sure you hit the nail at a 90-degree angle to make sure all of your force is directly applied to the nail. Ta-da!
Imani hammering that nail. You need to apply more force. Harder force. More force of gravity.
Oh. And that's how you hammer a nail.
This is now Lauren hammering the nail. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. It's a Sunday night. We're hammering right. Apply more force, Lauren. More force. Get angry.
You can do it. It's almost
Hold your hand more at a 90-degree angle. Wait. Hit harder, bitch.
You can do it.
Don't hit my hand.
See how Lauren is applying force at a 90-degree angle? Actually, I hit the nail. This is my light now, I'll kill you. It's going in. Go like a
One big time, like one. Don't hit my hand. Lauren. As you see, this is how you hammer nails. You want to know what we learned? Do you want to know what we learned? Well, as you can see, when Lauren was hammering that nail, she had to apply the force at a 90-degree angle, but what she forgot to do was, what, Imani? What did she forget to do?
Just like the trunk example, if you close the trunk near the hinges, it's not going to go anywhere. So you have to apply force away from the nail so you get more force and it goes down faster.
And you actually get somewhere, Lauren.
Yeah. The radius is the length of the hammer and the force is how hard you hit the hammer against the nail.